guys, in this video we going to learn how to write algorithm to calculate quotient and remainder of two numbers and draw flowchart for it. Here we have to find quotient and remainder of two numbers using algorithm and flowchart. First we going to write algorithm. Algorithm is a step-by-step process to solve a problem. Step 1. Algorithm is always start with start statement, so first we have to write start statement. Step 2. In step 2 we have to read input values. Here we have to find quotient and remainder of two numbers, right? So here we have to read two numbers. Read two numbers, that is consider A and B. Here A and B represent two numbers. In step 3 we have to calculate quotient. Quotient is equal to A divided by B. A divided by B is, it returns quotient value A divided by B. Step 4, we have to calculate remainder, right? In step 4 we have to calculate remainder. Remainder is equal to, here we have to calculate A modulo division by B. Here A modulo division by 2. Here A modulo division by B returns the remainder, right? So here we have to perform this formula, A modulo division by B. In step 5 we have to print the output, right? So here we have to print quotient and remainder, right? So print quotient comma remainder. Quotient and remainder. Step 6. In step 6 we have to stop the algorithm using stop statement. So guys, this is the algorithm to calculate quotient and remainder of two numbers. Step 1, it is start with start statement. Step 2, we have to read A and B values. In step 3, we have to calculate quotient, that is A is equal to A divided by B. In step 4, we have to calculate remainder, that is equal to A modulo B. Here A modulo division by 2, it returns remainder. So we have to write this formula. Step 5, we have to print quotient and remainder. In step 6, we have to stop the algorithm using stop statement. Next, we are going to write a flowchart. Flowchart. Flowchart is a graphical representation of solved problem. Flowchart is start with the start statement. It is writing within a oval shape. Within oval shape, we have to write start statement. Next, we have to read input values. Read, here we have to read two numbers, right? That is A and B. Input values is writing within a parallelogram shape. Next, we have to calculate quotient and remainder. Calculation is done within a rectangular shape. Within rectangular shape, we have to calculate quotient and remainder. Quotient is equal to A divided by B. It returns quotient value A divided by B. Next, we have to calculate remainder. Calculation is always done within a rectangular shape. So we have to draw rectangular shape. Within that we have to calculate. Remainder is equal to A modulo division by B. A modulo division by B, it returns a remainder. So here we have to write formula, remainder is equal to A modulo B. Next we have to print quotient and remainder, right? Output values is always writing within a parallelogram shape. Within parallelogram shape we have to print quotient and reminder. Next, we have to stop the flowchart using stop statement. So guys, this is the flowchart to calculate quotient and remainder of two numbers. It is start with start statement. It is writing within a oval shape. Next we have to read two values. Input values is writing within a parallelogram shape. Within that we have to read a comma b. Next we have to calculate quotient is equal to a divided by b. Calculation is done within a rectangular shape. Next we have to calculate remainder. Remainder is equal to a modulo b. Next we have to print the value of quotient and remainder. Output values is writing within a parallelogram shape. Finally we have to stop the flowchart using stop statement. Here start and stop statement writing within a oval shape. Input and output values writing within a parallelogram shape. Calculation is done within a rectangular shape. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. All the best.